In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FB markets to TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to tradingview.com and you want to sign into your account, or of course create one if you don't have one yet. And then you want to hover over products and click on super charts over here at the very top. Now, once you do this, you'll come to their charts here where you have to click on trading panel down here at the bottom left. And then this will basically pop up this trading panel. Now, if it doesn't pop this up, then you may have to basically drag it up like this. Okay, and it's going to pop up your trading panel. And then in here, we now must find the FB markets. Now scroll down a bit and click on show all brokers. And then in here, you can look for FB markets. Now you could just scroll, or you could also go ahead and just press Ctrl and F on your keyboard and then type in FB and then markets. As you can see, they're now over here. You could just go ahead and click on FB markets, and then you can select if you're trying to connect your live or your demo account. And after this, just basically put in your FB markets username and your password, and then you can click on the connect button over here, and you'll successfully be able to connect your FB markets account to TradingView. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.